Everybody ready? Smile for the camera. It's a big day for J. Spencer Clark.
I'm Suzanne Porath. I'm an associate professor in the curriculum instruction in the College of Education, and I nominated Dr. Spencer Clark for the Distinguished Graduate Faculty for K-State.
Last year I nominated Dr. Erika Geisbrecht. My name is Michael Zolkiewski. I am currently serving as the head of the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biophysics.
Spencer Clark is one of those unique scholars and professors that has a wide range of interest and ability, and he has his fingers in almost everything in the College of Ed.
I consider Erika to be a really outstanding colleague, academician, researcher, teacher, and overall great person we have in our department.
He restarted our graduate student support organization called EGSO. He is also published in lots of different areas.
Erika is widely recognized among scientists across the world. She currently holds the longest running major NIH award at K-State.
He also restarted our EDD program, and he really founded our very thriving EDD program at this point. The College of Education is what it is right now, a lot because of the work he's done in the last 10 years.
Cutting-edge research, very effective teaching, mentorship, service are what Erika exemplifies. So this is why I think she deserves to win the Commerzbank Award this year.